Hello guys, nandito po ako para sa mga beginner po diyan. Meron pa ako inanda na English Tagalog translations. Of course, dahil sa beginner po tayo, mag-uumpisa po tayo sa pinaka-basic. Okay, magtatanong tayo kung nasaan yung mga bagay-bagay o kaya yung tao na malapit sa atin. So, umpisahan na natin. Okay? Where is she? Okay? Where is she? Ibig sabihin, nasan siya? Pag girl yung tinatanong mo. Okay? Where is he? Okay? Nasaan siya pag lalaki naman? Okay? Pag boy. Guys, kasi yung siya, sa Tagalog, pag babae siya, siya, she. Pag lalaki naman, he. Kaya ganyan, guys. Where is he? Where is she? Okay? Pag nagtanong tayo. Ano pa? Where are they? Pag sinabing, where are they? Nasaan sila? Okay? Where am I? Okay, minsan tinatanong natin, we're asking ourselves, okay, for example, bagong gising tayo, okay, ba ako, bagong gising, hindi ko alam nasaan ako eh, where am I? Where am I? Nasaan ako? Minsan tinatanong ko ang sarili ko, so, ganyan guys, where am I? Okay, next, where is Peter? Okay, where is Peter? Nasaan si Peter? Okay, next, where is your mother? Okay, nasaan ang iyong mother? Okay? Where is the principal? Okay, nasaan ang principal? Okay? Okay, where is the principal's office? Pwede mong sabihin ganon. Kaya lang, pag sinabing principal's office, may S na to. Ay, may ano na to, yung anong tawag doon? Apostrophe. Ayan. Apostrophe S. Tapos, dudugtungan mo na ng office. Where is the principal's office? Okay? Alimbawa lang yung guys. Okay? Mostly kasi tinatanong natin yung principal's office. Okay? Where is the principal? Ay, sorry guys parang naano ko kasi. Pagka alimbawa, where is the principal's office? Okay? Where is the principal's office. Okay? Okay, where is the principal's office? Asan yung office ng principal? Okay? Okay, where is the principal? Nasaan ang principal? Okay? Where are the students? Nasaan ang mga estudyante? Okay? Where are ganun lang yung guys. Pagka sinabing where, okay, nasaan? Tapos, titingnan mo guys, kung plural o singular yung yung tinatanong mo. Kasi pag sinabing, where are they, okay, hindi pwedeng where is they, okay. Where is Peter? Pag dalawa yung tinatanong mo, ano ba, saan si Peter, saka si John. So, where are Peter and John? Ganun yun. Okay? Where, halimbawa, where is your mother? Pwede mong palitan to ng father. Okay. Where is your father? Okay. Where is your brother? Where is your sister? Okay. Oh, ganun yun. Where is your dog? Where is your cat? Oh, ganun lang, di ba guys? Ayan, gagamit ka ng ganyan. Tapos, ano na yung tinatanong mo? Okay. Where is the principal? Okay. Pwede mong palitan to guys. Where is the manager? Okay. Where is my daughter? Okay, pwedeng ganun. Where is my son? Okay. Where are the students? Pwede mong palitan niya ng where are the employees? Okay, nasaan yung mga trabahador? Pwedeng ganun. So maingat tayo pagka nagtatanong tayo, okay? Kasi may singular, may plural. Okay? Okay guys, nasaan ka? Sa English po, where are you? Okay? Nasaan tayo? Sa English, where are we? Okay? Okay? Ito guys, pag sinabing I don't know what to say, ibig sabihin yan, hindi ko alam ang sasabihin. Okay? Pag lalaki, he doesn't know what to say. Hindi niya alam ang sasabihin. Okay? Next, pag babae naman, she doesn't know what to say. Hindi niya alam ang sasabihin. Okay? Pag sinabing he, pwedeng si Peter. Okay? Sabihin natin si Peter. Peter doesn't know what to do, what to say. Okay? Hindi alam ni Peter ang sasabihin. Okay? We don't know what to say. Hindi natin alam ang sasabihin. Okay? You don't know what to say. Hindi mo alam ang sasabihin. Okay? They don't know what to say. Hindi nila alam ang sasabihin. Yung they, guys, pwede mong sabihin na the students, okay? Ang mga estudyante, okay? The students don't know what to say. Yung mga estudyante, hindi alam ng mga estudyante ang sasabihin. Yun ang sasabihin na. Pwede si Peter and John. Peter and John don't know what to say. Si Peter at saka si John ay hindi alam ang sasabihin. Yun yan. Pag sinabing hindi alam, gagamit ka ng don't or does. Don't or doesn't. Okay? Depende sa subject. Don't or doesn't plus yung no. Kaya hindi alam. Kaya hindi alam. Okay? Yun yan. Next. I don't know what to do. Hindi ko alam ang gagawin ko. So, gumamit na ng don't know. Okay? Yan, don't know. Kasi depende sa subject. Okay? I don't know what to do. Hindi ko alam ang gagawin. Okay? Ito naman, dahil singular, kaya doesn't ang ginamit. Okay? Pag lalaki, he doesn't know what to do. Hindi niya alam ang gagawin. Pag babae naman, she doesn't know what to do. Okay? Pag, alimbawa, lalaki, si Peter. Okay? Peter doesn't know what to do. Okay? Hindi alam ni Peter ang gagawin. Yan. Jenny naman, Jennifer. Okay? Jennifer doesn't know what to do. So, hindi alam ni Jennifer ang gagawin. Okay? Ganun yun. Okay? Next. We don't know what to do. Okay? Hindi natin alam ang gagawin. Yung we, pwedeng Peter and I, si Peter at ako, ibig sabihin na. Peter and I don't know what to do. Okay? Hindi namin alam ni Peter ang gagawin. Ganun yun. You don't know what to do. Hindi mo alam ang gagawin. O kaya, hindi nyo alam ang gagawin. Kasi yung you, pwedeng singular yung kausap mo, pwede ring plural. Kaya lang, isa lang ang gamit niyan. Singular man, o plural yung kausap mo, you ang gagamitin mo. So, pag sinabi you don't know what to do, pwedeng isa lang, hindi mo alam ang gagawin mo. Pag marami sila, hindi nyo alam ang gagawin nyo. Ganun yan. They don't know what to do. Kaya hindi nila alam ang gagawin nila. Kaya hindi nila alam ang gagawin. Kaya o kaya si Peter and John, okay, Peter and John don't know what to do. Pwede mo rin sabihin, the students don't know what to do. The employees don't know what to do. Yung mga empleyado, hindi alam ang gagawin. Ganun. Okay? Okay guys, next. Pag sinabi nating I don't know what you're talking about. Sa Tagalog yun guys, hindi ko alam ang sinasabi mo. Pwede rin hindi ko alam ang pinagsasabi mo. Okay? Ganun yan. Pag lalaki, okay, he doesn't know what you're talking about. Hindi niya alam ang sinasabi mo. Okay? Pag babae naman, she doesn't know what you're talking about. Okay? Hindi niya alam ang sinasabi mo. Lagyan natin ng pangalan. Okay? Peter doesn't know what you're talking about. Okay? Sa Tagalog yon, hindi alam ni Peter ang sinasabi mo. Okay? Jenny, halimbawa yung she, palitan natin Jenny. Okay? Jenny doesn't know what you're talking about. Hindi alam ni Jenny ang sinasabi mo. Ganun lang yun. Okay? We don't know what you're talking about. Okay? Hindi namin alam. Okay? Hindi namin alam ang sinasabi mo. Okay? They don't know what you're talking about. Pwede mo sabihin yan sa Tagalog. Hindi nila alam. Okay? Hindi nila alam ang sinasabi mo. Pwede rin hindi nila alam ang pinagsasabi mo. Okay? Next, gamit tayo ng you. Okay, you don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, sa Tagalog, hindi mo alam ang sinasabi ko. Okay, next, you don't know what she's talking about. Okay, pag ang nagsasalita, Okay, babae, hindi mo alam. Okay, so sa Tagalog yan is hindi mo alam ang sinasabi niya. Okay? Sa ano naman, pag lalaki naman, you don't know what he is talking about. Okay? So, ibig sabihin niyan, you don't know what he is talking about or he is talking about. Hindi mo alam ang sinasabi niya. Okay, next, you don't know what we're talking about. Okay, hindi mo alam kung anong sinasabi namin. Okay, sa Tagalog, yun na yun. Hindi mo alam kung ano ang sinasabi namin. Sa English, you don't know what we're talking about. Okay, kaya may ganyan guys, kasi ibig sabihin niya pare-parehas lang yan. Okay, what, to know, to don't, to you. Okay, kaya may ganyan siya. Okay. Next, you don't know what they are talking about. Pag sinabing you don't know what they are talking about, hindi mo alam kung ano yung sinasabi nila. Okay? Pag sinabing you don't know anything, we don't know anything, ibig sabihin nun, wala tayong idea sa mga sinasabi. Okay? Kaya pwede mong palitan yan ng I don't know what you're talking about. Pwede mong sabihin na, I don't have any idea what you're talking about. Pwedeng ganun. Okay? She doesn't have any idea or she doesn't have idea. Okay? Pwedeng ganun. She doesn't have any idea what you're talking about. Parang pwedeng ganun yun, guys. Okay? So, ano pa bang pwedeng dito? Ito, halimbawa ito, pwede natin palitan. Ang nagsasalita is si Jenny. So, you don't know what Jennifer is talking about. Okay? What Jennifer, instead na she, pwede mong palitan ng pangalan yan. Okay? You don't know what Jennifer is talking about. Okay? Hindi mo alam ang sinasabi ni Jennifer. Pag si Peter naman ang nagsasalita, you don't know what Peter is talking about. Hindi mo alam ang sinasabi ni Peter. Okay? Ganun lang yun, guys. Ano po ba? Guys, mapapansin nyo yung ganito, I'm. Ibig sabihin, I am. Okay? I am. She is, she is. Okay? He is, he is. Where, we are. Okay? There, they are. Pinaiksi lang yan, guys. Tapos yung ito, doesn't, does not. Okay? Does not. Yung don't, do not. Okay? Kaya pagpapahabain mo yan, I do not know what you are talking about. Ganun. Pero guys, kasi sa speaking talaga, sa speaking o pagsusulat man, mas gamitin talaga yung mga pinaiksi. Kaya dapat guys, alam niyo yung mga contractions ng mga ganyan. Okay, kung anong ibig sabihin yan. Yun lang yung guys. Salamat po sa pakikinig. Ito lang po yung mga simpleng English Tagalog translation. Sa susunod, gagawa pa po ako ng marami. Para at least guys, nasusundan ninyo kung paano gumawa ng mga ganyan-ganyan. Or mag-formulate ng sentence na lagi nating ginagamit sa araw-araw. Okay? Tsaka guys, kung gusto nyo malaman kung paano ginagamit yung do, tsaka does, okay? Pwede kayong tumingin sa mga previous videos ko, yung tamang gamit ng do, does, at tsaka did. Okay? Nandun yun guys. Para hindi kayo malito saan ginagamit yung do, tsaka does. Okay? Tsaka yung don't, at tsaka doesn't. Okay? Salamat po.